think some of the early years developing across the continent were tough. There was a need to mesh the operating systems, the management styles, the cultures of Sanlam in South Africa with businesses that had come from different origins. But I'm delighted to say that that's really bedded down, and we've had absolutely sensational performance out of our African businesses this year outside of South Africa. If one talks about the life business, one of the whole bases on which we did the original Saham transaction was that Sanlam is probably on balance a bit more of a life insurance company than a general insurance company, although it's got a very big general insurer in Santa, whereas Saham was much more of a general insurer. So the idea was to cross-sell life insurance products into the Saham general insurance base, and a huge amount of effort over the last few years has gone into developing the life products, the life offering, and the ability to cross-sell to clients. And this year we've really started to see the results of those efforts coming through. So we've had stellar growth in life insurance new business and fantastic value of new business operating result, a really key feature. Of course, we have not escaped the ravages of COVID, and so we've had roughly R500 million knocked out of our earnings on the African portfolio just from COVID. But nonetheless, an absolutely fantastic achievement by management, setting us up for long-run growth and long-run profitability from the life business across the continent. I think that when we talk about general insurance in Africa, it's a slightly different situation. As I described, we've got a much more mature business with very solid market shares, and in many cases the leading operator in businesses. Now, post the pandemic, economic conditions have been very tough, so growth in general insurance premiums has followed pretty much along the lines of inflation. We've done actually better than that across the continent, and I think we've demonstrated good solid growth and again very strong franchise position in all of our markets. On top of that, we've had solid underwriting performance, and included in that has been the cleanup of a lot of historic accounting balances and so on. So I'm actually delighted that we turned in a solid profit performance and good, solid, above market growth across all our businesses in GI. And I think what it does do is it underlines the fact that we've got the leading general insurance franchise on the continent.